The clean tech team has been extremely welcoming. I definitely feel like my voice is heard, and everyone on my team has been very friendly and helpful throughout my training and my time here.
There's a lot more involvement, so you're not just a cog in a machine, just doing the same exact task over and over and over again. Like, you actually get to have opportunity to learn new skills and to do different things that you haven't done before. We were able to ask questions in front of people that are way more qualified than us, and just everything seems equally valid.
So we do a lot of hands-on work in the lab and in the field, so any skills that they gain working in the laboratory or working in the field, they can transfer them to their career.
I try and support my students by giving them the guidance that they need to do the tasks appropriately, but also the freedom to try new things, to kind of struggle with problems, but still providing the guidance they need when they do get stuck.
A lot of jobs can be very micromanaging, and luckily this isn't one of them. It's hands-off enough that you get to do a lot of things yourself and be very independent, but it's also hands-on enough that you still have that safety net, and you have the ability to ask questions and to see where information needs to help supplement you.
I think the experience here will really help me achieve my career goals.